Think upgrading your fence has to cost a fortune? Think again. These 5 simple ideas will boost your curb appeal without breaking the bank. Start with something small but impactful. Post caps. These little additions come in wood, solar, or metal styles and instantly give your fence a polished look. Solar caps can even light your yard at night. Next, refresh what you already have. A good power wash followed by a reseal or stain can make an old fence look brand new. It's cheaper than replacing panels and way faster. Add a splash of style with decorative lattice panels or metal inserts. These work great on wood or vinyl fences and can be customized for your space. Turn your fence into a vertical garden or a cozy evening hangout with hanging planters and string lights. These upgrades are cheap, easy to install, and make a huge visual impact. Finally, fix the flaws. Replace warped or broken boards to restore structure and appearance. It's a quick fix that makes your whole fence look cared for. Small upgrades, big difference. If you need help upgrading or repairing your fence, visit CAANFenceInc.com or call us at 781-767-3596 to get started today.